Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Google Ads for AI audience automation, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by logging in to your Google Ads account. On the main dashboard, navigate to the Tools and Settings icon in the upper right corner. Click on Tools and Settings to reveal a drop-down menu. From the drop-down menu, select Linked Accounts under the Setup section. In the Linked Accounts page, look for Google Analytics and click on it. Next, click the Link button to begin the authorization process. You will be prompted to choose the Google Analytics account you wish to link. Select the appropriate Google Analytics account from the list provided. After selecting, click Continue to proceed to the next step. Review the linking settings to ensure accuracy. Make sure to check the box that allows data sharing between Google Ads and Google Analytics. Click Link Accounts to finalize the connection. Next, navigate back to the main dashboard and select Audiences from the left-hand menu. In the Audiences section, click the Create Audience button. Here, you will be able to define the audience parameters for your campaign. Choose the segments you want to target, such as website visitors or app users. Once you have defined your audience, click Create. Now, go to the Campaigns section and select the campaign you wish to work on. In the Campaign settings, scroll down to the Audiences section. Click on Edit Audience Targeting to include your newly created audience. Review the targeting options to ensure they align with your marketing strategy. Once everything looks good, click Save to apply the changes. Finally, monitor the performance of your audience automation in the Reports section of Google Ads. This will help you understand how well your AI-driven audience automation is performing. Adjust your strategies as needed based on the insights gathered from your reports. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.